You've got your social profile connected and you've already started planning your content. So now it's time to engage with your audience. No need to log in and out of multiple social media profiles to respond to comments and messages. Vista Social gives you the power to view and respond to engagements across all of your profiles in a unified inbox. Within your inbox, you'll be able to respond to direct messages, comments, mentions, reviews, and reposts, depending on what's available per network. Choose which message types you want to see at the top right corner of your screen using the message filter. You can also filter by labels, dark post comments from meta ads, or even by sentiment, so you can prioritize conversations that matter most. Just as in other areas within Vista Social, you can select which profiles you wish to see from the profile selector. For example, here I can see my Facebook and Instagram conversations. Speaking of sentiment, our sentiment analysis feature automatically tags every conversation as positive, negative, neutral, or mixed, which gives you a quick read on the tone of every interaction so you can spot what needs your attention first. And if a tag doesn't quite match the context, you can edit it right on the spot. Now, you can scroll through your messages to find the conversation you want to respond to, or simply type keywords in the search bar at the top to quickly find the message that you're looking for. Responding to a message is pretty straightforward. On the side of each conversation, you'll see an icon indicating what you're responding to, whether it's a comment, mention, or a DM. Let's go ahead and reply to a direct message. At the bottom of the conversation thread is the area where you can type your message. You have different options to add to your reply, such as emojis and hashtags. If a common question comes through, you can reply quickly with a saved reply. And you can even organize these into saved reply groups so that your library stays neat and easy to navigate. You can also create a response using our AI assistant to give you an extra hand. And any AI-generated reply can be saved as a saved reply for next time as well. If you want to send an internal note to your team, select Note to leave a comment for a team member to see if they need some extra insights on how to respond. You can take this even further with team conversations. Open up the team conversations widget, type @ to tag a teammate directly, and they'll get notified inside Vista Social. Internal threads show up in a yellow box, so you always know what's private versus what's going to the customer. Perfect for getting approvals, assigning tasks, or sorting out tricky messages before replying. Now, let's talk about the social media CRM built right into your inbox. When someone messages your brand, you can click on their profile and save details like their name, job title, company email, and phone number. That info stays attached to the conversation. So the next time anyone on your team picks it up, they've got full context. No more asking the same questions twice. Next to a specific conversation or message, you'll notice that there are a few icons. Let's go through some of the inbox features that are available to help organize your conversations in the best way possible. Once you've responded to a message and you're ready to move on, you can mark the conversation as acknowledged, or even use this for messages and comments where a response isn't really necessary. You can star a message for conversations that stand out or messages that are just favorites. Label messages. This is a great way to organize your inbox by campaign, specific questions, or anything else. You can assign a task to a team member for them to respond to a specific message sent in. You can also mark conversations as spam and archive them to organize your inbox to see messages and comments that are relevant and important to respond to. After you've marked these, you can organize and locate them by clicking on the message type in the top left-hand corner. And if you find yourself doing the same set of actions over and over, like applying a label, assigning a task, and marking the conversation complete, that's where inbox macros come in. Macros let you bundle multiple actions into a single click using the Lightning widget. Set one up once for your profile group, and your whole team can use it to triage messages in seconds. And that's it. Now you can handle all your messages and reply to comments so much faster and interact with your audience in a more efficient way. Want to learn more about becoming a pro when navigating your social calendar? Check out this next video to learn all there is to know.